Alright guys, so I'm about to take the headlight. I'm not sure which year is it because I got it on eBay. The only reason I got it is because I need to measure the inside so I can retrofit it. And I'm trying to get the clear corners, but it's hard. So I only got this one. Hopefully I can get the other side with the clear corners so I can retrofit it. If not, I'm gonna have to go find a different pair. All I'm using is a headlight for box like I showed on the previous video. So let's see. Another thing, it's gonna be hot, so I suggest you use gloves, like oven gloves or something like that. Me, I'm used to handling stuff like this. So let's start. Also, if you can find different tools, that's good, because I'm using flat screwdrivers. So let me see. Let's try to open it. You see the tabs, make sure they're really soft. Once again, this thing is gonna be hot. As you can see, there's a point over here. The tabs are pretty warm. They'll feel soft, so they should be good to take it out. But there's one thing I didn't check, if there were some screws in here. As you can see, it's coming out. This thing is hot. Oof. It is hot. Maybe it's coming out fast because it's like aftermarket. It's not OEM like they say. It's pretty much coming out fast. Now be careful, don't try to break this thing or fold it. So there you go. The inside is chrome. I'm gonna, since I've been searching for the clear corners, I don't think I'm gonna have any luck finding the clear corners. And this is already like tinted. The plastic is not like wrap or anything. I think it's like factory made, and these are aftermarket. So stay tuned for my next videos, because I don't think I'm gonna find the clear corners like I say. So I'm gonna end up in, I'm gonna order the headlights for the 2007, because they come with the clear corner over here and the orange one. So I'm trying to find the two clear corners. But if not, I'm gonna have to order the 2007 because those have one clear corner. And what I heard is that they don't fit the 2008. But I'm gonna order them and I'm gonna test them in my 2008 Honda Odyssey. I'm gonna take the whole bumper out, the grill, and I'm gonna test the headlights. If the headlights fit, then I'm gonna retrofit them. All right, so stay tuned. So now you know how to open them. Maybe these were easy to take apart because they're aftermarket, so the quality of the material is different, and maybe they didn't use too much what you call it, butyl, something like that, the glue that goes around. And I suggest if you buy aftermarket, you might want to buy some of the glue rubber and seal it, because moist can get in there. Alright guys, so take care.